All right, guys, we are at the Azure North condos right here. I'm about to show you guys the place, just a little tour of the Bali Tower right over here. All right, let's go. What's going on, guys? I just want to show you, give you guys a little tour of the Azure North Bali Tower. This is an Airbnb here. This is the bathroom here, kitchen area. Okay, we have, looks like we have a microwave, refrigerator. They got a couple cabinets here. There's have glasses in here, mugs. They have, I'm not sure what that is right there. I don't know if it's a steamer, but they have your cooking utensils right here because they have an exhaust system where you can actually cook your food there. There is a single kitchen sink here. You can put there's some cleaning supplies here. There's more plates here, saucers, more glasses. And then you open up this here, there's your eating utensils, knives, can opener, stuff like that, scissors. And then right here is just some cooking pots and pans, okay? Just in case you guys forgot to bring yours. They also give you some guest kits here for, they have like toothpaste, toothbrush, soap, and shampoo. Come down this little hallway. We have a nice little TV setup over here. Of course, we have the aircon right here. If you look over here to my left, there's a nice little table set up if you want to eat whatever. I don't know if you're ordering Grab or whatever. We have a little closet area here. You can, it looks like we have some extra mattresses and a fan. The Wi-Fi right there. It's supposed to be like 253 Mbps, so we'll check that out, guys. Nice little lights there on the top. Nice bed. You got a couch here. Some nightstands. Here's a different angle of the room here. I'll put the Airbnb link in the video description, and then we have a little balcony here. Really small. This is Tower 1 here. I'm actually staying in Tower 2. See over there, there's SM City Pampanga, and right across is the Robinsons. And we have an SNR right there. Okay. This is in San Fernando, guys, Pampanga. And looks like we have some pool area. See that parking lot all the way in the far distance? That's the common parking there. That's free parking if you guys stay here with the Airbnb. And then there's the right under this thing right here is paid parking. So anyways, just wanted to show you guys the Azure North Airbnb in San Fernando. I'll put the Airbnb link below. Take care, guys.